Hello everyone, welcome to the video depicting or explaining how to use Playscii graphic editor in order to create ATASCII graphic files. So here you can see the two zip files. First one is the Playscii program, and second one is exporter, ATASCII exporter. For both applications you can find links in the description below of the video. So first of all, we have to unzip it, and secondary, we have to copy all exporter files into the catalog of the place of the editor. And now we can start the editor. Yes, we have to click new, give a name for our file. Here you can see the destination folder where all the necessary files can be found. This is usually the user's name of the user documents, Playscii art catalog. This is mandatory that the image has 40 by 25 resolution. So when we set this, all we have to do is click create, and then we have to go to the tools, show char color picker, and here we have to choose the proper character set. We have to use Atari all character set. Click set and close. Once again, show char color picker, and now we can see all the Atari characters that we can use during drawing our image. So yes, now all we have to do is to create image by using only two colors. It's forbidden to use more than two colors because the destination image will have only black and white colors. So please don't change it, because the destination image will look badly. So when we finish working with an image, we can export the file to the executable file, text file. So let's call it Atari image. Okay, and we can also save our project, and now we can go to the destination folder, which is here and here and here and here and here. And as you can see, there's a Atari image project file and exported Atari file in an executable format. As you can see, it works. So thank you. Please contribute your graphics to this compo, and please provide both files, which is sex file and project file, in the zip file you will send us. Thank you. Here is Gork speaking, and I hope you will enjoy creating images. Thank you and bye.